Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Changing a pressure relief valve on a Hamworthy boiler. Here's the old PRV. You can see the condition of it. And here's the new PRV. To move this melt-to-melt iron out of the connection because when I tried spinning it out of the back of the boiler, it was knocking on some of the pipework. So it was knocking onto the pipework, so I had to screw it out, and then when I got near the end it was knocking on here, but fortunately it came out. And also screwed out this connection as well. It was causing a bit of a flood in the plant room, so it needed to be changed. Okay, I attempted to isolate my valves at the back of the boiler, but my valves were letting by. I didn't want to over tighten my valves because the heads have been taken off, so I didn't want to over tighten them, so I stopped. I didn't want to damage them. So I shut off my primary pumps behind the boilers, and I kept isolating further back, making sure everything was isolated on the panel as well, and noting where everything was on the panels. Okay, gonna prepare up my new connections, give them a clean. Okay, the connection has been cleaned up a bit with some emery cloth. Open, open.